lunches. Today we're making Italian eggs. First we will need our ingredients. We will need some olive oil, some eggs, some tomatoes, some mozzarella and something to serve it up with it. I'm using some crispy bread. First we will need to make sure our oven is preheated to max. Then we will need to wipe the inside of our bowl with our olive oil. Then we need to very carefully add in our eggs. Okay, now we'll need to add in our mozzarella. Then we need to add in some chopped tomatoes. Now we've done that, we'll need to put it on the tray and let it cook. About 10 minutes and they're ready to come out. And here is your lockdown lunch. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe and see you next time for more lockdown lunches.